Hi, welcome to this video where we will talk about effortless data recovery for Huawei Mate 60 divided by Pro. Scene 1 explains the importance of regularly backing up your Huawei device. With Huawei's cloud, your data is safely stored, easily restorable, and always accessible even if your phone gets lost. Our image displays Huawei's secure cloud storage. Our second scene introduces Huawei Data Recovery, an effective tool that retrieves deleted files without disturbing the existing data on your device. Its proficiency in file recovery makes it a must-have for Huawei users. Scene 3 emphasizes on the ease of retrieving deleted files if you've activated Google Drive backup on your Huawei device. With the Google Drive image displayed, simply open the app, sign in using similar account for backup, locate the deleted files, and hit download. Your lost files are restored. In Scene 4, we walk through another handy recovery method, especially for data stored on your Huawei's SD card. By simply using an SD card data recovery tool, you can effortlessly recover mistakenly deleted files. Our final scene underscores the significance of preventing future data loss. Regular backups, antivirus installation, and keeping your device's software updated are some measures that can help protect your valuable data on your Huawei Mate device. Make professional-looking videos instantly with Rephrase.ai.